Kumno ngin tiêm Lada ka Itynnad yapi. Tong ngin yapait kalong kumno kane kadai ka pat ka basan pau ar pangapan mi ti yakiwai ki pat ki basyadin ngalabo ya kaling haga description. Pat ngalapan mi shibon tali ki jingiakai kum kini. Wat klet ban pej haduk pukut kini ke jingiakai bat lapis ngau yo jumantoy share lam sikit prolog jongpi. When a girl looked at me. When a girl looked at me. Kasi haba kan thấy kapet shanga. How will I know if she is interested in me? How will I know if she is interested in me? Kumno ngantip Lada kasngau tenat yanga. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Tungin yapet. She will smile every time she look at you. She will smile every time she look at you. Kan sarki yapi man kapor haba kapet yapi. Or you say something to her. Or you say something to her. Lani piong ay yaka. A girl's eyes constantly search for that one guy. A girl's eyes constantly search for that one guy. Kikmat jongka kipej banwat yau tau beriu. But as soon as he catch her looking at him, she looks away. But as soon as he catch her looking at him, she looks away. Henry haba uyoi yaka pakapechau kapechaway. Or pretends she was looking at something. Or pretends she was looking at something. Lani kale menle bakapej yake. This is the most obvious sign that she likes you. This is the most obvious sign that she likes you. Kane kadai kadak kashin baka Itynnad yapi. She listened to you every word that you said. She listened to you every word that you said. Kasngap yapi manlaki kentin bapiong. She will know what you like and what you don't. She will know what you like and what you don't. Katib ka ay pi Itynnad but ka ay pim Itynnad. Even if you don't remember telling her. Even if you don't remember telling her. What Lada pim kan mau bapi yatu yaka. You will be ignored, but she will still try to get close to you. You will be ignored, but she will still try to get close to you. Pin sakantai Henry ka persyang ban kamjan shapi. She will get jealous when you are talking to other girls. She will get jealous when you are talking to other girls. Kan sabishni yepi haba kren bat kiway kikantay. She asks for your opinion, and actually she already know. She asks for your opinion, and actually she already know. Kakali yaka jingsngeu jongpi bat haka jingshisha kalatip lupa. She tries take interest in what you like. She tries and take interest in what you like. Kapasyang ban sngaw tanat yaka ay kabapi Itynnad. She turns to look at you. She turns to look at you. Kapai din but kapej shapi. If you walk by and look at her, and she look back. If you walk by and look at her, and she look back. Lada piyaj, but pipej shaka, but kapej shapi. That's the sign she might interested in you. That's the sign she might be interested in you. Kata kadai kadak balek se kasngotanat ipi. Maybe she knows that you like her. Maybe she knows that you like her. Yo let's say katip bapi Itynnad yaka. She will never say no. She will never say no. Kam juong em. She will find ways to talk to you. She will find ways to talk to you. Kawat kilat kilanti ban kren yepi. She will tell more about herself. She will tell you more about herself. Kan siyatu yepi shibon shapang jongka. She makes time for you. She makes time for you. Kaplaj por nakabenta jongpi. She asks for your help on little things. She asks for your help on little things. Kapan yaka jingrap jongpi what iba kandiat